Welcome to 15707 Monksilver Bend in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, 20774. This is a beautifully, barely 10-year-old townhome, 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. We've got about 2,200 square feet of living space. And guess what? We are on the golf course, Lake Presidential Golf Course. We are at hole number 1. We've got a fenced-in backyard. You can go right outside your back gate of your backyard and see them tee off. Take a look. All right, welcome home. So when you enter in the front through the foyer, you're gonna come up about 4 or 5 steps and then another 3 or 4 steps and you're in the main level area. You could alternatively go back down the steps and be in the recreation area. Which will take you down out into the backyard. This is going to be your formal living room or your sitting room. Plenty of room for formal living room and also office space, as you can see. Main floor powder room. And then this is your kitchen area. Formal dining room. Let's check out the back deck. Now this is my favorite part of the house. Overlooking hole number 1. Again, Lake Presidential Golf Course. You could sit out here for hours and hours. Plenty of natural shade as well. Let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. All right, welcome to the top level of the home. So you've got bedroom number 1. One thing about this house is it has a lot of natural light. Bedroom number 2. You got your main floor bathroom, hall bathroom. Washer dryer. Upstairs, no lugging clothes up and down the steps to wash them. And then we'll walk into the master bedroom. Notice the vaulted ceiling. And we've got the master bathroom right here. Gotta love this view. All right, let's go back down. And we are back in the living room at 15707 Monksilver Bend, Upper Marlboro, Maryland. Again, right at hole number 1 of Lake Presidential, right out the back. You got 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 levels, 2-car garage, a recreation area, plenty of space. Beautiful home, just barely 10 years old. I'll see you next time.